Yeah?
Hey.
What the fuck is happening? I'm so freaking scared right now. I think we might be haunted.
Meow!
The fuck was that? Wait, Bella? Bella, is that you?
Wait, what if I turn it up? What is this? Oh yeah, that's good. Ready?
Bella, say meow if that was you. Oh my god.
It really was.
Oh my god. We have to tell the Ice King. We have to... Where is he?
They're gonna tell the Ice King that she meowed? That their cat meowed?
Why is she so vocal tonight? Like, do you wanna leave? Do you wanna go outside? Do you wanna... I have some fish. Oh, one second. You want some fish? What? Bella. Bella loves fish. What's gotten into you, Bella? You got a little furball? Oh. Bella, are you okay? Do you want... I don't like the idea of Bella being a sentient creature. Yeah, we gotta do something. Yeah. You think we... Oh, you're right. How many days since the storm?
You might have to kill Bella, Gully.
But Cowman's not here. If I kill Bella, it's fucked up.
I'll find out.
Yeah, go get the Ice King. We have a...
They're gonna kill their cat, dude. Oh! Oh, God. That's
Did you
all
say
over.
anything else rather than meow?
Meow!
Did you just say meow? Bella can speak! That's awesome. Meow meow. Meow 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 meow. I don't actually speak cat. I'm sorry, Bella. But if you're cursed, I will have to kill you. I'm sorry. Do you want fish? What do you want? Are you happy? Are you happy now? Yeah, are you there? Dude, no one's ever gonna believe us. No one's ever gonna believe us.
Oh, he's just going more and more crazy. And then, wait, when Ice King gets here, I don't say anything. Is he even here? I don't even know if is he even on? Oh, he's not even on. Oh, they're gonna tell him like tomorrow, and he's gonna be like, "You're crazy."
Do you want food? Do you want...
She's sleeping, dude. She's sleeping, bro. He's trying to figure out what to do for the cat.